Start the class. So the topic which we'll start today is how the silk was discovered first time. How was silk discovered first time? We will start this topic today. As we have done what is sericulture, how the cocoon makes silk, this all we have done. Okay, now we'll start the topic how was silk discovered first time. So I will share my screen with you. Okay, how was silk discovered for the first time? You are able to see your screen. So wait a minute, I'll show you.
According to legend, it's accidentally invented. Despite every situation, one day, the person was trying to take over the mansion. Suddenly, the person felt its burden into the ground. The empress was so devastated by the shadow threats. To her surprise, the news was brought by rockets very suddenly. The empress then got a shag fabric from the thread. Well, that's how silk was invented. The Chinese get the process of making silk secret to a lot of silk experts. However, production techniques regularly they do
Now you have seen, I have shown you the video here which was telling us that how the silk was discovered. So I will show you that you have seen the video how the silk was discovered first time. The Chinese empress, she was drinking tea and by chance that cocoon fell down in her cup. Okay, so I will show you now. I will share my screen. The story of how the silk was discovered. So on the screen you are able to see, according to an old Chinese legend, means the story was there, the Empress Tsai Lung Chai was asked by the Emperor Sang Tai to find out the cause of damaging leaves of mulberry trees growing in the garden. So she was in tension why the mulberry trees in the garden are getting damaged. So the empress found, I shown you, that she was drinking tea and by chance the cocoon fell in her cup of tea and she saw the silk. It was that fiber was being produced. Okay, so the empress found white worms eating up mulberry leaves. So when she saw the empress found white worms eating up mulberry leaves, she also noticed that they were spinning shiny cocoons around them. Who was spinning? That worms were spinning cocoons around them. Accidentally, a cocoon dropped in her teacup. Whose cup? The empress. When she was watching the mulberry tree and the tangle of delicate threads separated from the cocoon, and this way silk was discovered. So I'm repeating again, according to an old Chinese legend, the empress Tsai Lung asked by the Emperor Zhang Tai to find out the cause of damaging leaves of mulberry trees growing in the garden. Okay, so the empress found while white worms eating up mulberry leaves, she also noticed that they were spinning shiny cocoons around them. Worms were spinning cocoons around them. Accidentally, a cocoon dropped in her teacup when she was watching the mulberry tree, and the tangle of delicate thread separated from the cocoon, and this way silk was discovered. Okay, you came to know how silk was discovered. Now I'll share my screen with you. The second one now I'll share. Now, after this, now you came to know how the silk was discovered first time. Now we will start with the next topic. That is some health problems in silk production. Now, first one you can see on your screen, respiratory diseases. The women and children were forced to do the work to spin that in the to work for the people there. So the women had respiratory problems such as asthma. You know, when we are not able to breathe properly, that is asthma due to cotton dust, or respiratory irritation was there. Why irritation was there? Due to inhalation of chemicals used to bleach silk and cotton. So they were using various chemicals for silk and cotton. So they were having the respiratory problems, not able to breathe properly. So they were having asthma problem. The use of chemical dyes to color the silk and cotton caused some women and children to develop allergy skin rashes. Now you know when you are having allergy problem, you see the rashes on your skin. Okay, so this is the women had and the children had respiratory problems such as asthma due to cotton dust or respiratory irritation due to inhalation of chemicals used to bleach silk and cotton. The use of chemical dyes to color the silk and cotton caused some women and children to develop allergic skin rashes. So they had skin rashes. Why? Because they were working with the chemicals, and that chemicals were developing allergic problems in the women as well as children. Now the next topic which we will discuss here is, now the next topic which I will share here with you is on the screen is skin infection. You can see the hand of the particular women there. What is happening now to that women? Because they are working with the cocoons. So while cocoons are immersed in hot water, now in the previous class I have told you, when the cocoon is making that silk, that is a particular insect, worm is there, so they have to kill that insect. So cocoon is put in hot water first to kill the insect and also to loosen fibers. Workers tend to put their bare hand. Bare hand means without gloves, without covering their hand. They have to put their hand in the hot water to see if the fibers are loosened to pick silk thread for unwinding. Because they have to unwind that, they have to see whether the fibers are loosened or not. So hot water give blisters. You can see on the hand, the blisters are there. In fingers, leading to secondary infection like dermatitis. Dermatitis is an infection when you are putting hand in the water and you get blisters, reddish. Sometimes the particular part gets swollen. So cocoons are immersed in hot water to loosen fibers, and workers are tend to put their bare hand in hot water to see if the fibers are loosened to pick silk thread for unwinding. So hot water gives blisters in fingers leading to secondary infection like dermatitis. This is the skin infection which women and children are having when they are doing work there but they are the workers, those who are doing work in loosening fibers. Next one is common disorders. What problems they were having when they were doing work, loosening the thread, putting hand in the hot water, and even with the cotton dust also when it was there, silk dust was there. So what happens, a common disorder you can see on the screen, severe headache. Severe headache means too much headache they were having. They were not able to work properly because so much dust was there with that fiber. Fever. Many of them were having fever. Third one is physical growth retards. Physical growth retard means whatever the physique they were having, their growth was not being done properly. It was maybe stopped or maybe it was very slow. Neck pain. So continuous working, when they were continuously working, so it leads them to have the neck pain. After neck pain, they had, sometimes they had body ache. Body ache means you have the pain in your body. So which are the common disorders? Severe headache. Severe headache means too much headache. They may be having, they might be having, or they were having fever. They were having physical growth retards. Their growth was not been done properly. Maybe it was very slow and some were not able to grow properly also. They were having neck pain. Most of the women and children were having body ache, which was a serious problem for the people who were working there. Okay. I think so all have understood. We have done now here some health problems in silk production. First we have done respiratory diseases, then we have done skin infections, third one we have done common disorders. Now I'll share my screen with you, the fourth one. Now the fourth one is hearing disorders. Now what is the meaning of hearing disorders? Children are forced to hear loud music. Now you imagine if you are hearing loud music continuously, what will happen to your ear? You will not able to listen properly, hear properly. So children are forced to hear loud music to prevent them from the noise of the machines, because the machines were there to prepare the fibers. So the noise was much there. So what they were putting on the loud music, so that whatever the noise of the machine was there, they should not hear that noise. So it caused problems related to hearing. They were not able to hear properly. So this is hearing disorder. What is hearing disorder? Children are forced to hear loud music to prevent them from noise of the machines, and it causes problems related to hearing. They were not able to hear properly. So today we have done the first topic. How was the silk discovered first time? By the empress, Chinese empress, and it was kept secret. It was kept secret, and this was a mystery, and the silk production remained unknown to the many of the countries. Why? Because they kept it secret and they were spinning and making silk, not allowing or telling the people what they were doing. They kept it confidential. This was how the silk was discovered first time. And after that we have discussed some health problems in silk production. First we have done respiratory diseases. Second we have done skin infections. Third we have done common disorders, which I have shared with you on the screen. And you have seen. So I will unmute one participant here to find out. I will unmute Mannat.
Okay, ma'am.
Please tell me, who discovered silk first time? Who discovered silk first time? Mannat, you can off your video. You can come to audio. All can come to their audio instead of video. Yes, Mannat. Who discovered silk first time? Sirat, I am unmuting you also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who discovered silk first time?
Ma'am, the Chinese emperor. Ma'am, a Chinese empress found the silk for the first time.
Yes. Then how she found? I have shown you the video now. How she found? She was
Ma'am, she found
Yes.
Ma'am, she found the silk fiber while she was standing near a mulberry tree, and a white-colored worm fell in her cup of tea.
Very good. Very good, Sirat. Thank you very much for sharing the answer. I'm muting you
Thank you,
again.
ma'am.
Welcome. Now I will unmute Samreen. I'm unmuting you. Okay. You please tell me what became more treasure gift from China. We got a one treasured gift from China. What was that gift? The topic which we had discussed.
Fabric.
Yes, the fabric. Which was that fabric? Which topic we are discussing, Samreen?
Silk.
Yes, it is some. That is silk. Yes, very good. Thank you for sharing your answer. I'm muting you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now I will unmute Jasmeet. I'm unmuting you. Okay. I will unmute Harman. I'm unmuting you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me. We have done the various types of problems the people were facing, health problems in silk production. So first one was what? Having which problem?
Respiratory disease. Ma'am, it
Yes,
was respiratory disease.
very good. Thank you very much. In respiratory diseases, what problems they were having? What problems they were having?
Ma'am, they were having problem for breathing and asthma.
Yes. Very good. That problem was they were not able to breathe properly, and that was
Breathe.
the asthma.
And they have
Very good. Thank you very much for
and they
sharing your
have
answer. Yes, Vicha, speak. We want to give the answer. Okay, I'm muting you. Thank you for giving the answer. I will unmute. I will unmute now. Atashi, I am unmuting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bache, you tell me. They were having the second problem also. After respiratory diseases, I discussed one more problem. Which was that problem?
Ma'am, skin infection.
Very good. Skin infection. So, how they got skin infection?
Ma'am, the workers up there, they were told that they told them to put your hand on the hot water to see
Put the hand in the, yes. Yes, very good. Speak, please.
because of that, ma'am, in their hand they got
Blisters.
blisters in them.
Yes, they
Yes,
got
ma'am.
blisters in their hand. Very good. Thank you very much for giving me your answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome. I will unmute now. I will unmute. Harneet, I am unmuting you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
video, bache. First off the video, come to audio. Yes, come to audio. You tell me which were the common disorders? Which were the common disorders?
Ma'am, they usually had headache, and they were not able to do the work. They were having fever, and
Yes.
ma'am also hearing problems also.
That is
And
the
they
another
were
common disorder what they were having.
Ma'am, they
So
were
they
having headache, fever.
headache,
Ma'am,
fever,
physical growth also.
was less
Charge
slow.
also, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Very
neck
good.
pain also. Ma'am, neck
Yes.
pain. Ma'am, body pain, whole body pain.
Yes. Very good. That means what I have taught you, you have heard properly and you are able to understand it. Thank you very much for giving your answer, Harni. I'm muting you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, Mitra. Now I will ask now and unmute. Manvi, I am unmuting you. You please tell me the last topic we have done here is which topic? Which is that topic? The last topic was what? Manvi, you're able to hear me? Yes,
Yes,
Bache.
ma'am.
Which was the topic, last topic we have done? Hearing. What is the name of the
Yes,
topic? Say, Manvi. I am able to hear you. You say.
Ma'am, types of silk.
No, one last problem disorder they were having. Common disorder we have done. The last disorder was they had one more serious problem. Na? Many are writing on the screen there. Very good. I got the answer. But I want Manvi to give the answer. Na, Manvi, what was the disorder? Common disorder we have discussed. The last one was
Hearing disorders.
hearing disorder. Very good. So in hearing disorder, what problem they were facing? Why they were having the hearing disorder? Yes.
Ma'am, because they were hearing loud music.
Because they were hearing loud music. Why they were hearing? Why they were forced to hear loud music?
Ma'am, because of machines.
So that they should not hear the noise. So that they should not hear the noise of the machine. Okay, Manvi, repeat after me now. Why they were forced to hear loud music? So that
They are not able to hear
so that they should not hear the noise of the machine. Okay, I am muting you. Disturbance is there. Thank you for giving the answer. So today we have done the topic how was silk discovered. Now I will mute you all because I have unmute few girls to give the answer. I am muting all. So we have done the first topic, how was self discovered, and everybody understood. I asked you the questions also, and everybody was able to give most of the girls were able to give the answer. Okay. Now I will revise. Now I will revise the few topics here which we have done previously. Okay. So I will unmute one participant here. Sirat, I am unmuting you. Sirat, I will unmute you. Wait for a while. I am unmuting Samiksha here. Samiksha, you please tell me. We have done the definition of sericulture. Please tell me what we have done. What is the answer of the definition? Sericulture. What is sericulture? Are you able to hear? Samiksha. Are you
Yes,
able to hear?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Bache.
ma'am.
The
Yes,
definition of
ma'am.
sericulture.
Ma'am,
What is
I am not able to hear you clearly.
that we have done previously, na? Sericulture. So you please repeat after me. Sericulture means raising of silkworms, taking care of silkworms. So please repeat after me. What is
Ma'am,
sericulture?
sericulture means raising of silkworms.
Yes, yes. Now what is the meaning of
It
raising? It means taking care of silkworms. So that because silk is produced with whom? Who is producing silk? Silkworms.
silkworms.
So to take care of silkworms. Okay, this is known as sericulture. I am muting you now. Thank you very much. I will unmute one more participant here. I will unmute Stuti. I am unmuting you. Okay, wait. Stuti, you tell me, we have done here the various stages of the silk. Okay, we have done. what is shearing? Shearing. Shearing. Suti, are you able to hear me? I will unmute another participant. Maybe she's having some network problem. Sunaina, I am unmuting you. You please tell me what is the definition of shearing? Shearing, shearing.
Ma'am,
Yes, say please.
when the people take wool from the sheep, this is known as shearing.
Yes, when they cut the wool from the sheep. When they cut the wool with the help of a machine or the razor, that is known as shearing. Very good. Thank you very much for giving the answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I will unmute because only 4 minutes are remaining for the class. Anybody wants to ask any question? I am unmuting you. Okay. Who wants to ask any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Whatever we have done, you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have understood. Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain type of
Yes, ma'am. Can we explain?
ये मैम क्वेश्चन पूछा ये कब का बच्चे ने किया हुआ है कब का बच्चा ने किया हुआ है
Okay. I am muting you all because disturbance is there. Okay. Now I will.
Okay, ma'am.
I am unmuting you. Okay, Vanshika.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll ask you one small question. What is reeling? Reeling. Reeling.
Ma'am, reeling?
Yes, reeling. Reeling. Reeling is
Reeling means filaments from cocoons
yes,
which are joined and twisted and wrapped around a reel.
Yes, when they are wrapped and that process is very delicate. So it is known as very good. My class is very good. You all have understood what we have done and good, gave the answer. So I am muting you. Thank you for giving the answer. Okay, now Vedika. I am unmuting Vedika. Vedika, you tell me, we have done the characteristics of wool.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
characteristics of wool, we have done the characteristics of silk. You please tell me
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
the characteristics of wool? What are the characteristics of wool?
Durability and durability. Each wool fiber is remarkable elastic.
Yeah, the bit is that
Absorbency of fiber. Wool fiber takes up moisture in vapor form, absorbs
good.
dye. Wool absorbs many dyes deeply, uniformly, and directly without the use of chemicals.
Yes, so you
Resistance to flame.
colors. Yes,
Wool
very
is
good.
itself. Wool is self-extinguished. It does not support consumption.
Combustion. It does not support combustion.
Combustion.
Means when we have to burn wool, it does not burn very easily. And I gave you the example of people when the fire takes place by chance, a person is clothes are getting fire or burnt. So at once the blanket is put. And you know what is blanket? Blanket is made from wool only, na? Good. So I am muting you. Thank you very much for sharing your answer. Yashvi, I am unmuting you. You please tell me what are the characteristics of silk? Characteristics of silk. Yes, Yashvi. Characteristics of silk.
Ma'am, the characteristics of silk are it has a very good appearance.
Very good, very good.
It has it absorbs things. It is very
Yes.
elastic.
Yes.
It has heat conductivity.
Yes. It is comfortable also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is comfortable in the summer and it is warm in winter. Okay. What else?
Ma'am, it is soft, smooth, and lustrous.
Yes. It has moderate resistance to wrinkles.
Yes,
Wrinkles are
ma'am.
not there, so it's not much wrinkles are there. Okay. So it
Okay.
is also very costly also silk because it is made by with the help of silkworms, and you know like what type of a silkworm you have seen in the video. The silkworm small insect is there and how that insect is spinning the fabric there for us silk.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
costly also. Okay, thank you very much for sharing the answer. I'm muting you. So I will end up my class here. You don't have any problem. We have revised the previous topic also. And as this chapter, second chapter is over. Okay. All the questions and the study material and the answers will be sent to you to write in your notebook. Thank you very much, students. Bye to all. Bye, everyone.